Good morning, and today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about how to make a compelling application to medical school. Now, we're going to be holding a full webinar on this live on Wednesday the 12th of January at 12:30 UK time, but just a few little top tips before then. First of all, make sure you understand the competencies and skills required by a doctor, and make sure as a student that you can evidence those in your personal statement so you can talk to the admissions tutors about the things that make you stand out. Secondly, make sure you know how that medical course is taught. There are different courses, like traditional courses which are very scientific, or problem-based learning or case-based learning. So make sure you do all your research, and that should happen in year 12. Thirdly, don't underestimate the admissions test. The vast majority of UK universities will require either UCAT, which is most of them, or BMAT. And they're very time-intensive, quite high-pressure tests, so practice and coaching is really, really important. And when you get to the interview stage, the interviews are a little bit different too. Some of them are typical panel interviews that you might expect for other subjects, but other interviews are called MMIs, or multi-mini interviews, where you have up to 8 different stations where you might need to role play, you might need to talk about ethics. So all of those things need to be put together over the course of year 12, and we're going to explain that a little bit more in our webinar on Wednesday the 12th of January.